In this video we will discuss about how you can add additional fields to system entities. While there is an extensive set of fields under each entity defined by the system, sometimes there is a need for the CAA to require additional information related to the flight legs, aircraft, air operator, users and so on. Thereby, you can define all the necessary fields in this section to make sure it fits CAA's requirements. Decide where you want to add the new field. Let's say we want to add a field to the air operator, where the user can enter the AOC number. We will click on the View button showing next to Operator Entity. Then we will click Edit. If you want this entity to show on the menu in Profile Manager page, check the box Show in Menu. To initiate the process of creating a custom field, we will click the Add Field button. This will insert a new row in the table where you are required to enter the name of this field, for example, AOC number. The name corresponds to the field name in the database, so it doesn't appear in the applicant interface. Then, we will enter the display name that corresponds to the title that shows to the users. Select the type of this field. The available field types are text, number, date, time, drop-down list, list of countries or airports. Since in this example, we want to create a field where the user can enter the AOC number, we will select number as field type. If you want this field to appear in the application, check the box, Show in Application. When selected, this field will appear in all single, block or multiple daily permit applications without any exception. In some cases, you may decide that this custom field is no longer needed. When this occurs, you can simply remove it from the applications by unchecking the box, Show in Application. If you wish to prevent the applicant from submitting the application without filling this field, you can set it as required. To ensure the value entered by the applicant is not repeated, you can mark the checkbox, Set as Unique. The three options, Show in Application, Set as Required, and Set as Unique, are available for system fields or user-defined fields except operator name and country. These two fields cannot be modified in any way. We have the ability to define the sequence of the user-defined fields, which determines the order in which it will be displayed. This is the first user-defined field added to this entity. Therefore the display order will be 1 by default. We will add another field to know whether the air operator is a national carrier or not. Therefore, we will select drop-down list as the field type. We will add the values that can be picked by the applicant, for example yes or no. We will simply type in the value and press enter to add them. We want it to show in the application and we will set it as required. Let's say we want this field to precede the AOC number, therefore we will set the AOC number as 2. As we mentioned at the beginning of this video, some of the fields are system-defined, therefore the display order of system-defined fields cannot be changed. Now that we have added the fields to the permit item, it will appear under Operator tab in all permit applications without exception. In addition to the system entities and fields that we've just discussed, the system gives you the ability to create custom entities that meet your requirements. Please make sure to watch the related tutorial video for further instructions about how to add custom entities. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.